Right guys, right, I'm back now. I've got my thing. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly do the clutch cover. Just got to put some sealant around because I've got a gasket. And I just got to make sure I put the just make sure I put the cable clips in the right place and clip this pickup and the right one. So I've just got some gasket seal. I'm just going to do that and just be out of shot for a bit. But I'm still just to stop the oil leaks or anything like that. You can buy a gasket, but again, everything on this Honda Fireblade seems to be so expensive, which is fine. I understand it's a pretty cool machine, vintage, but yeah, I do need to. Hence why I bought the bits from Japan, because they're a third of the price, and the OEM, they're not like a knockoff. So definitely worth going on there and finding. They seem to have everything I looked for. I used Parts Finder, like an MSC or something like that. Get the microfiche, get the number, and just literally search it on there. I was a bit apprehensive, I will say that, but God, I ordered them on the 7th, and they're here today, which is the 13th. And from the UK, we used to very slow deliveries, so actually I'm super impressed with them. And like I said, I think the gear by itself was about 100 maybe £180 just for the gear, the 4th gear. Not that alone, the clutch, and then the clutch centre bars was about 180 here in the UK, or somewhere locally, which they probably just order from there anyway. So yeah, I managed to get the whole lot for 150 delivered from Japan. I just can't, listen, I can't see why I wouldn't wait. I really want to try my bike, but I also didn't want to spend that sort of money. Not when I'm going to be rebuilding it at that point. Some stuff, don't get me wrong, some stuff like I was looking for, I just thought, I might as well get the whole clutch for Zachi, but actually the outer basket was like 400 quid still. So I thought I could fix that springy issue. I don't know if you've seen my other video about the springs in the back rattle like hell, hence why that noise is when I spin that one over. Yeah, so don't have to wait for another day, or wait till I get. I'm hoping to get, basically my plan is, if you've got an engine, let me know, is to get another engine and do the engine up separately, maybe do some polishing on the port. I really don't know what to do. I'm going to strip the whole thing down, redo it hopefully, and then when winter comes I will be able to just switch the engine straight in and then rebuild this one. It's done like 50,000 miles, so it's quite a lot of miles. So I'm not not delusional. I know it's going to break, and for the money I paid for it, I think it's a reasonable bike. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. It's just one of them things. You don't buy a bike for that sort of money and expect to not have to do anything. Just fortunate that I got the time and patience to be able to do it, and most of the time ends up right. So I've just put back in. I've just excuse me 1 second. Yeah, lucky enough, I've just got the time to do it and patience to do it, and I'm managed to get it done. So we'll see. Yeah, hopefully I'll get some more done over the coming months and weeks. It's literally just starting to rain, so lots of rain actually. Oh, I'm gonna do it about that. It's fine. Yeah, I was just bringing up a picture. Just so, because there's a cable routing, so I just got this to the microfiche, and I'm able to just see what I need to put these special. There's a couple of little clips I need to put in, so that's what I was looking at. So this is the last time. Hopefully, I get this out. Just look at this cable here. This is the cable I need to do. Already got the dowels in it. I had to use the engine mount because I was in the way apparently. So I'm just going to sit it on there to start with, locate on the dowels, and then think so. Cable, just a cable. That's good. So this is a little pickup. You need to make sure you plug that back in up here. Just gonna feed it through. I'll do that now because I forget. I go, why isn't? I literally, when I first stripped this down, I took the engine out. I was like, oh my god, how on earth am I ever gonna remember? I had the manual, but I was like, how the hell am I gonna remember where all this stuff goes? But you just do. You get. My advice would be just take your time and you take it apart, and make sure you take note of any longer bolts, any particular way. As you put them out like these, I'll take every single one out, tear them up to the next one, just to see if there was any different sizes. And to be honest, they were all the same. So this is great. I can just chuck them in a bag. I know I'm not gonna get them wrong. So that one goes. So I'm just gonna pay attention for a sec, because I need to make sure where these go. Let's revert that one, so I can go to there. Okay, just start them off now. Another one. Which goes. I'm just going to put these bits in first, and then the rest of them can just go over. That one there. That one there. And then I'll just, these little like cable tie things. It's got me in one place now, so really super annoying to. And the phone goes at the bottom there. Okay, brilliant. So now I can just do the rest, and the rest of them just go in as you want. Just do them up gradually, obviously. I've got a space, I need to make sure I put back in. Yeah, one thing about these bikes I would say is there was a God, I didn't want to do a spark plug on these. They are an absolute pain. They pull the injectors off, the top airbox off, all the way through, to drop the radiator, pull the airbox through. It is honestly, I've never known a bike like it. I think they are special spark plugs, though. You shouldn't have to get to them too often, apparently. But yeah, it was a pain. I've done it a few times. I wouldn't recommend it. It's not the most fun. Right, so see where we are. We 8 mil. Where's the 8 mil gone? Go for it. Oh, it's a 10. Where did I put my 8? This is the bottom unit, just chasing around. Sockets everywhere. Then come back. Just why. Let's have it back. Oh, no. Where has my 8 gone? Is that my 8 there? Put it in the wrong hole. So I'm just going to snug these up. Torque them. And then we'll do the oil and coolant, and then yeah, give it a go. See how we get on. Or I'll probably put the engine mount back on actually, just on the safe side. So you've got a bolt, it's just got space in a bolt. Let's get these close in there. I'm going to go back round these, it's just temporary, just to yeah, it's only right. So the raining was another lorry out there, I don't know which could be That's it. This one bolt's gone. Another bag done. Just work 3 bags, you know. Just 2. Try and do it opposite, I guess. 2. These are really small bolts, just be careful. You don't want to snap them. Can you help it? Good sign is when you've got the silicone come out there. Just make sure you balance them up. Expensive oil going over the floor. I can see it being a silicone, like TV silicone. Just come out the top there, so it gives you a confidence that we've done a good job. Yeah, it's good. Okay, yeah, that's it. Now we're going to start. Put that engine back in. So this bolts for. I think it's on the fairings, I hope. Yeah, fairings. Yeah, it's got to be this one because the other one's not there. Another bag on. I don't think there's any bags left really. I think it's the last bag. So this one I've just got to make sure I put this in the right place because the last time I did it I'm going to take off because the bloody it was in the way of the fairing. Which is just snug it up. Bloody hell. I'm not haunted, it's just slope the table. Okay, so there's a space in there. This is I'm pretty sure that went down there somewhere. This is a, I don't know if you've seen the other videos or not, but this is, I'm in my container at the minute where I do work on my bikes, but I will obviously, as time goes on, hopefully get a better setup, a bigger setup, or whatever way you want to put it. Better lighting, better cameras and stuff, just do it with GoPro at the minute. So yeah, I will bear with the poor quality of the video and sound. Snug, so it's down, yeah, it looks good. Right, so we've got to do the cool oil and cooling. Let's do oil. Some of this oil I'm supposed to put in. I've already done the plug and the filter, so just cable out. So on the otherwise. There. So there's the Vernon glass as well at the bottom, which is fantastic. Actually not. Yeah, I think it's about 3.8 of a full engine overhaul, or 3 litres just for an oil change, but I've got 4 and I've got a couple of spares, so it's not the end of the world. I'm just going to make a funnel quickly. Oh, it's not raining, which is good. homemade funnel. I haven't got one. I don't know. I've probably bottles of water. I don't need a bloody funnel. And you literally just hold that in there. Put a cloth around it. Don't lose too much. Hold it tight. It's going to take quite a bit of oil, obviously, so just. Check some pissing everywhere. Nothing's come out of the hole or anything. That's good. Can't get out of there. Tipping it or whatever that. I'm sure I had a small one last time. It's really running. That's not leaking from the engine, don't worry, chaps. That's coming outside of the bloody wasting on the side of it. Only 3.8 litres, so just make sure you clean it off. No, I haven't touched it yet. Just go straight to the bowl. Lose patience with this.